What is up YouTube? In tonight's video we're going to be showing you how to solder copper pipe. This is using 15mm. Firstly get ourselves some abrasive cloth. This is just from Toolstation. You buy it in a roll. Clean up the pipe. About 20mm down the end for 15mm. Then you're going to get a deburring tool and just deburr the inside of the pipe, removing any of them burrs. Now you're going to clean up your fitting. We're going to use a 15mm elbow just because it's going to be easier to show you. This fitting is already clean, but just give it a clean out on the inside. This is Laco self-cleaning flux, but we've already manually cleaned the pipe anyway. Let's smear around both pipes you're going to be connecting together. Now, I don't put it inside the fitting, because if you put it inside the fitting, all it does is when you push the pipe in, it pushes it into the fitting and it stays in the system. Well, it would stay in the system if it was heating or gas. Water probably would flush it out. So push your fitting on, a little twist round both sides. You don't have to twist it round, just help. Make sure you've got your flux right round. Wet rag, wipe off the excess flux. Can't see it there, so that's really helpful. Now we're going to solder up the fitting. Getting our blow lamp and our solder. I'd like to put a 90 bend on it just because I find it easier to feed into the fitting as you're soldering it. A bit too aggressive, that flame, 15mm. Just bring it down. If you were soldering a bigger bore pipe, such as 22 and 28, obviously you're going to need more heat to warm that pipe up faster. The fitting will just start to slightly discolour when it's ready for feeding in your solder. So, start to feed it in, capillary reaction will kick in and it will pull it right around the fitting. Give that a 30 or so seconds to cool down before wiping it with a wet rag, cleaning off that flux. Just try and stop your pipes from going green. If you cool it down too fast, you will snap the joint because of the heat and the cold shock. It will snap the joint. Some people like to wipe a bit of flux on to cool it down faster and clean the joint up. There's no need for that. Just a waste of flux. Cleaning all that excess flux off you didn't need. There is your soldered joint. You see there's more here where I fed the solder in. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.